Hi everyone, welcome to another Kids Cook at Home recipe video. This week we are making some taco pinwheels. Taco pinwheels are one of my personal favorites, and I think they'll be a family favorite for you guys as well. Very simple ingredients, no cooking and no baking required. There is a little bit of knife skills involved, however, an adult can help out those younger kids to make this recipe extremely easy, and like I said, it'll be a family favorite for sure. These taco pinwheels have very simple ingredients. We're going to start with some whole wheat tortillas, some cheese. I'm using some rotisserie chicken. You can also substitute it for canned chicken, or even take a can of black beans and just drain them and rinse them. We're also using some fat-free cream cheese, some taco seasoning, a little bit of salsa, and I like to use some fresh green onions. However, if you don't have them, that's not a problem. Feel free to also add in some other veggies that you have at home. Maybe it's diced tomatoes, diced green peppers, things like that. So first up, I'm just gonna go wash my hands, wash the produce, and then we'll go ahead and get started.